Hi, just Nick here, Auckland Garage Door Openers, www.aucklandgaragedooropeners.co.nz. Just at a Doorworks, popular motor Doorworks Dc 1200N. One of the common problems with it is the motor goes, but the chain stops. And that is because the spline in the track has worn out and you can no longer get parts for them, and no other track fits them, which is pretty sad. So we're going to replace it today with a Botticelli 850 Smart super quiet garage door opener. And here we have the new BFT Botticelli 850 Smart opener in here. Push the button. And then you have it, Auckland Garage Door Openers.co.nz. And if you need any garage or gate remotes for any brand, garagedoorremotes.co.nz.